Hey everybody, got a real treat here today that we're going to be looking at. So just came in from Nike. So first, I'd just like to say thanks to the J23 app for the notification here. So, you know, you've made a lot of people happy over the last couple days. So I just really appreciate that. And then just also saw that it's now a top seller on the Apple App Store. So neat stuff. So here we go. So for everybody to see, it's the UNC Off-White Jordan that released, kind of surprise release this week. Knew it was coming out soon, so it's really cool. So yeah, we're gonna just start with the box here. So I'm not gonna break into it, but you can actually break apart the box here. So just gonna try to be gentle with it. Trying to damage anything here. And so this nice plastic on the box as well, but you can see here the box, you can actually, it's a flip top box, but we're not going to flip it. So then we have the Jordan Off-White white paper here. Gosh, this is really an amazing shoe right here. So we're just going to take out this left one here. So I'm an NC State fan, so you know this Carolina blue is killing me here. But you can see this is really some premium leather here. We have the off-white toe tag here. You know, the little white lace. You know, the tongue out. Look, some like plastic here, a little bit different than most Jordans. Blue. You know, the 85, the tag here. Once we go inside, you know, the Jordan shoehorn here, the white lace inside. Just some really like premium items here with the detail, you know, here on the top of the shoe. You have the, you know, your normal off-white, your orange, your tag. Some Carolina blue shoelaces. Some orange off-white shoelaces.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, buddy. Got also my little buddy here. So this is Paloma, and then we have the right shoe. Same here. And we have the Air.
I'm gonna be in a video next.
All right. Well, that sounds good, buddy. So yeah, that's it. This is a really good shoe. Really fortunate to be able to get a pair, because I don't think there's too many out there. So saw Justin Timberlake on it last night during the Rockets game.
Yeah, these shoes are really new.
They are. You have anything else to say, buddy?
Okay, bye. I'll see you later.
We'll see you later. You have anything to say about comments?
So let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of the shoe. See you guys in the comment section. Bye bye for now.